Today, we are going to tackle the CrackMe challenge using x64dbg. When we press F9 to run the application, you will notice that the anti-debugging mechanisms triggers. To bypass this security check, we will use a plugin, ScyllaHide, and then select the VM Protect profile, then press OK, then restart, then F9 again. See? CrackMe status, not crack. Next, to analyze the main CrackMe logic, we will perform the following steps. Restart, F9, then right click. We need to right click and then navigate for search for current module string references and then type CrackMe, then click CrackMe, then find the success here, success. Right above the success routine is a conditional jump. If you look closely, JNE or jump if not equal. If the condition is not equal, the execution will jump directly to memory address 18BB. To bypass this, we will replace this instruction with a NOP or no operation. So, spacebar, press spacebar, and then change to no operation. Then press OK. X. Then after that, patch the file and test our crack version. Go to file, patch file, and then click patch file. To test this, press F9. Congrats, status crack. That's it. Thank you.